Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Tanvir Ahmed. Today I am here to present my lecture on the topic speciation, which is one of the important topics in life sciences. Before going to the process of speciation, let me be brief about the concept of species. Many concepts were proposed from time to time about the concept of species. The most essential one is biological species concept, which was proposed by Ernst Mayr. According to him, simply species are the groups of organisms which are capable of interbreed. Say for example, if we have two species A and B, they are morphologically similar, but they are not capable of interbreeding. Then at that very time we can't categorize them as the species. So species are those or groups of organisms that are capable of interbreeding. So this was the process, this was the species concept. Now coming to the process of speciation. Speciation definition is like the process of formation of new species from the pre-existing species. It's simply what's called as speciation. Now this process of speciation is broadly categorized into four important types. One is called as allopathic speciation, second is sympathetic speciation, another is parapathic speciation, the last one is pigpathic speciation. Now coming to this allopathic speciation, if we see allo means other and path means place. So if we see this process of speciation, the single species, the two species, they get diverged, they get separated due to a barrier in the form of a geographical barrier. Say for example, mountains, rivers, as a result of which they mutations, natural selection, and this reduced gene flow, it accumulates over the period of time and they get diverged into two distinct species. Now if at certain point of time these species they come and interbreed with one another, but the hybrids are not viable, then at that very time it is speciation has been taken place. But if the hybrids are viable, then at that very time we can say the speciation has not taken place. So in allopathic speciation, the barrier separates them in the form of mountains or rivers, and over the period of time, due to the reduced gene flow, natural selection and mutation, these become two distinct species. And whenever they breed, they cannot produce viable offsprings. That's what's called as allopathic speciation. Now coming to sympathetic speciation. This type of speciation occurs within the same geographical region, but it occurs due to certain factors like there occurs change in their sexual selection. There occurs sometimes the type of what's called as natural selection, that is called as disruptive selection occurs in them. Or sometimes what happens, temporal isolation. They made at two different times, or ecological isolation occurs. Sympathetic. Now this sympathetic speciation, it can be exemplified by one of the classical species of Regulites pulmonella, maggot fly. Basically, they species were initially feeding on one type of niche. We can say it was feeding on certain type of fluid A. But with the passage of time, it get adopted to a different type of fluid, say fluid B. Now, certain species they feed on fluid A, and other species they feed on fluid B. With the passage of time, they undergo certain behavioral or certain sexual changes, sexual selection changes, due to which they get distinct into two different species. The type of speciation, although it occurs within the same geographical vicinity, but they develop certain characters or features due to which they get diverged into two distinct species. This is what is called as sympathetic speciation. Now another concept is parapathic speciation. What happens here is actually it occurs within the same geographical vicinity. From the parental population, small group of population, they get moved to a different. I mean, within the same geographical vicinity, but they adopt a different niche, due to which there occurs reduced gene flow between the two populations. Although the flow is continuous between the two, but here the populations, they develop certain features due to this reduced, mainly due to the reduced gene flow. With the passage of time, they diverge into two distinct species. Now, coming to this paraphyletic speciation, it is similar to allopatric speciation, but here the geographical barrier occurs at the periphery. Say, for example, if this is the geographical area, here this small population it get diverged from the parental population due to natural disasters. I mean, due to founder effects, say, for example, or reduced the prolonged this genetic gene or reduced gene flow. This one there occurs the geographical. There is the geographical barrier at the periphery. This is the hypothetical species concept, this peripatric speciation concept, and it occurs mainly due to the founder effect. Now, yes, this peripatric speciation we have done with this. Now, coming to this process of speciation. Now, there are